Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Mini Cooper proximity key. This particular key was found from models starting from 2014 onwards. To start with, you'll need to remove the emergency blade with the press of a button. So you have this button here which releases the emergency blade. Once that is out, you'll have a couple of clips on the side here. So on the back of your case, you'll have a couple of clips on the side, and with the help of a flathead screwdriver, you'll be able to release those. Once that is done, this cap comes off, and we have one more cap over here which will get you to the battery. So again, with a small screwdriver, release this as well. For the battery, you'll need to release it from the top side, so from the side of the key, and it pops out. Okay. In our case, we have a CR2032 battery. Once you replace that, please make sure you put the positive side of the battery towards the top. You have to push it towards in order to clip, because it has a string over here. Okay, once you've done that, you put it back into place like so. It clips, and then we put the top of the case back on and the emergency blade, and the key is ready to go. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.